Hey guys, and welcome to Master the Russian Cases through Examples. Today I'm gonna be standing next to the board because I simply couldn't memorize all the words I wrote down here. So it's a little bit unusual format of this kind of videos, but anyway, we are continue talking about genitive plural. And today we are taking feminine nouns that end with either a or ya, plus neuter nouns that end with o, because neuter nouns that end with ye behave a little bit otherwise. We are not taking them yet. So let me tell you about the rule first. The main principle is dropping the last vowel. So in the case of a and o, we simply drop it. For example, the word зеркало, we drop o, and зеркал will be our genitive plural. But if it's я, like in the word Katya, okay, we drop it, yes, but we add the soft sign. Why? Because the letter T has to remain soft. T, Кать, Кать, not cat, okay? So Katya, genitive plural will be Кать. For example, пять Кать, okay? And little thing to add is that if after dropping a vowel we are left with two consonants in the end, like in the word Matreoshka, shk in the end, we should add a so-called fleeting vowel in between to make it easier to pronounce, let's say, but it's not always like this, you will see why. We add either ye or o. Which one to add? Well, I can't give you the rule, but there is a 5-letter spelling rule, so you can be sure that after sha, sha, che, zhe, ce, we always add ye if it's unstressed. So we pronounce it matryoshak, matryoshak, like o, yeah, maybe unstressed o like a, but we write matryoshek, okay? So let's get started with our examples. And today, unfortunately, I'm not showing you anything, so we are just listening. I wrote words as well, which go to the genitive plural. It's new words. You remember the words from the last video. It's много, a lot, мало, a little, or not many. And today's words are немного, not so much, not so many, and немало. Немало, it means not little, like significant amount, немало. Plus несколько, few, a few, несколько. And don't forget about numbers, starting from 5 to 20. Well, let's get to our first example, Matreoshka. Matreoshka, we simply drop our a, we are left with Matreoshk. We add ye in between, in this consonant cluster, so it sounds nicely матрешек. For example, 5 матрешек. У меня 5 матрешек. Нет, у меня немало матрешек, у меня много матрешек. Может быть даже 10. Зеркало, mirror, зеркало. У меня дома немного зеркал. Совсем немного, может быть 2. Okay, окно. Окно, we drop our o, we are left with окн. We add o between k and n, so окон, окон. В этом доме много окон. I'm sure you often see the reflections of these two windows on the board. The next word is слово. Слово. We drop the o and it's nicely слов. We don't need to add any vowel here. For example, я сказала ему несколько слов. I said to him a few words. Мама. We drop a, we're left with mom. В этой комнате было несколько мам. In this room there were a few moms. I'm paying your attention that the word papa behaves the same way. Pap, много pap, a lot of fathers. Katya, we drop the I as I said and we add the soft sign. Кать, for example, в нашем классе было 5 Кать. In our class there were 5 Katyas. The next word is капля. Капля, we drop the ya, we are left with couple, we add ye in between, and we don't forget about keeping the L soft. So, капель. На меня упало несколько капель. Идет дождь. Мужчина. I put this thing here to remind you that we are talking about feminine words, but all the masculine words that end with a, like papa, дядя, мужчина, will behave like feminine words. So we drop a and we are left with мужчин. Мужчин. The next word is шапка. We drop the a, we are left with шапк. And we need to add a vowel here. In this case it will be o, like in окон. Шапок. For example, у меня много шапок. У меня немало шапок. Okay? And here I wrote the exceptions. What are these exceptions? Well, I've noticed that when you have consonant clusters like this, with 3 consonants or with 2 consonants like this, z, d, we never add a fleeting vowel here. It's weird, it's difficult to pronounce, but that's our rule, it's our exceptions, okay? So, качество, a quality, качеств. У этого человека много хороших качеств. You see, it's not easy to pronounce, but there is no vowel. Качеств. Звезда, a star. На небе много звезд. Here we drop the a, we are left with звезд, and in Old Russian it was like this, звезд, I'm sure. But in modern Russian, ye often switches to yo. So звезд, just remember it as an exception. Солнце. Солнце, I know that солнце, the sun is just one, it's unique. But sometimes we say it like 5 солнц, 5 suns. It happens in poetry, in some kind of text. Yeah, it's possible to say солнц. The next word is гнездо. It's a nest. We drop o and we are left with гнезд, but again ye turns to yo. Гнезд. На дереве много птичьих гнезд. The next word is место. Место, it's a place, and it's interesting, if we don't add any vowel, it will be мест. For example, посмотри, тут много мест. Look, there are a lot of places here. Let's say in a cinema, in the movies. Еще много мест. Okay, and the last exception I'm giving to you is чувство. Чувство is a feeling. We drop our o and we are left with 4 consonants here. Well, one of them we don't pronounce, this v. It's like, it's a silent consonant. I have a video about it. You may look in the description, I will put it. So, чувств. For example, когда я его увидела, у меня было несколько чувств. When I saw him, I had few different feelings. Yeah. So, I hope this was helpful. Try to read the rule again, listen to all the examples again, and try to apply this rule to some other words. Take any word like тарелка, I don't know, картина. When you see a word in singular, try to make plural out of it according to this rule. So I hope it was helpful. We'll meet each other in Master the Russian cases through examples. See you!